Our teeth are with us for our entire lives. Well, depending on your hygiene. They're with us before we're born, and they stay in our mouths long after we've passed to the next phase of life. We often don't pay attention much to them unless we're cleaning them or if there's something wrong with them. I'm Mike with List 25, and today we'll take a look at some of the lesser known facts about teeth.
25.
Typically, if you are right-handed, you tend to chew on your right side. The same goes if you're left-handed.
24.
Some people believe that bones are the strongest part of the human anatomy, but the tooth enamel on the exterior of your teeth is actually the strongest and most durable part of the body.
23.
2/3 of the tooth is actually underneath the gum, or as I like to say, 2/3. Only 1/3 is actually visible. 2/3, get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
22.
Brushing your teeth only cleans 60% of your teeth. The other 40% is covered by flossing.
21.
Romans used to make a paste out of broken eggshells, bones, ox hooves, and ashes before toothpaste was invented. That sounds safe. I know.
20.
Teeth start to form in the womb. Yep. Even though they don't show up until later, your teeth are always there, just waiting in your gums.
It's really creepy.
19.
No two teeth are alike. Everyone's teeth are unique to the individual, just like fingertips. In fact, just like fingertips, teeth can be used to identify someone. It's one of the reasons that people used dental records to identify human remains.
18.
Cheese provides a protective layer which neutralizes the acid in plaque. So, just ditch your toothpaste and throw some cheese whiz on the toothbrush.
Ugh.
Don't actually do that.
17.
Before the wonder of modern hygiene, people would clean their teeth with twigs.
16.
Hey, let's get back to Rome.
Okay.
Great. People used to use sterile urine as a mouth rinse in Roman times. Ah, Rome. So clean.
15.
Foods like a leafy salad or steamed vegetables can prevent staining on your teeth before eating a full meal. But, that's not cheese, so is it really worth doing?
14.
During the Middle Ages, people would kiss donkeys to relieve toothaches. Experts believed that this was a surefire way to stop toothaches.
Well, yeah, it gets your mind off the toothache. And
That's true.
It makes you think more about how you just made out with an ass.
Yeah.
13.
Before the tooth fairy gave money to children for their teeth, children in England and Australia would drop their baby teeth into a mouse hole in the hopes that it would prevent toothaches.
12.
When you bite someone with your natural teeth, it's considered simple assault in Louisiana. However, if you bite them with false teeth, it's actually considered aggravated assault.
11.
While it's a popular myth that George Washington had wooden teeth, it actually holds no truth. Washington's teeth were actually made of gold, ivory, lead, and a mixture of human, donkey, and hippopotamus teeth.
10.
Okay, I've ragged on the Romans a couple times throughout this list, but let's look at some good Roman dental practices. The Romans used impressive dental technology for their time. They fixed cavity-ridden teeth with gold crowns.
9.
Plaque contains on average 300 species of bacteria. So, brush those teeth, people.
Coronavirus.
Yeah. What?
8.
Drinking 3 or more glasses of soda a day contributes to 62% more tooth decay, fillings, and tooth loss. Ooh, it contributes to fillings? It'll help fill my teeth? Nice.
7.
By age 17, 78% of Americans had at least one cavity.
6.
Like us, giraffes have 32 teeth, but they're kept on the bottom jaw.
5.
Over the course of our lifetime, we spend an average of 38.5 days brushing our teeth.
4.
On average, we only brush our teeth for 45 to 70 seconds a day. However, it's recommended that you brush for 2 to 3 minutes per day.
3,
Back in the 1800s, barbers and blacksmiths also acted as dentists. In fact, because barbers would pull teeth, they were called barber surgeons.
2,
Before we vomit, our mouth produces an excessive amount of saliva to protect our teeth from the acid that our vomit has. You should still brush your teeth afterwards, though. Just not immediately afterwards, as your stomach acid weakens your enamel.
1,
If one of your teeth are knocked out, you can save the tooth if you jam it back in your gum within 5 minutes of it falling out. So, do you have any cavities? What's your favorite tooth? Let us know in the comments below or tweet your answer to us at Liz25 or to me personally at Michael B. Estrin. And if you like this video, check out the ones in this playlist here. I couldn't think of any questions, so what's your favorite tooth?
No, I like it.
Thanks.
Megalodon tooth.
No, I meant in your mouth.
Oh, megalodon tooth.
Oh.